Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about GMX with my customer set. What's going on now? Let's dive in. All right, we just saw the data for core PPI and BTC React. Pretty good one. So all alts come back to reality. Unfortunately, guys, yes, I think would be good to see some corrections for alts and BTC especially, and Ethereum maybe. So GMX now still inside the accumulation intention accumulation pump model since October 22 on the Gate.io. So you remember, and we landed to the best zone to buy here. Zone were more than okay. Buy this token based on your own risk. You know, to the targets 58, 63, 78, 125. So this is a local targets. Middle term, not a local one. So this is middle term targets for GMX. This is another example how and why do I recommend you to watch the tutorial about the initiation accumulation pump model, how to work with that model to identify the good zones to buy and sell. If we double check the data now, so BTC dominance 59.63, BTC bounced based on the news, dump it and bounce, a pretty good one. So I hope to see recover back, but not to the new all-time high again. Today or not today, no, maybe tomorrow with before or after the Trump talk with the it was a pure manipulation, guys. So if you track it, it was just basically the spoofing on Binance, you know, when the market maker just remove liquidity, some guy just with the market order push the price by himself because it was empty space, put the price. After that they drop it back the price. So this is how that real spoofing looks like, because if you open the 5-minute time frame, especially on the low liquid exchanges like this one, so 5-minute time frame, pump, drop, imagine the dump like 226%. So what's the point, guys? This is not unhealthy move. On a spot, it's not a futures, guys. So the next target, guys, it's accumulation again between the 1494, 1157. Is it possible so we can drop under $5? Basically, yes, but I don't think so. So this is targets which is still relevant based on this FIB, guys. I recommend you go and check the educational video how to work with this FIB. What is good news now? So GMX, this was a exploit on Arbitrum in Joule. If you remember it, and now they successfully completed 44 million distribution plan. So who affected with Arbitrum exploit? So this is a great move and great news for everybody, and I think it will be just local positive news. What is good? What is bad for this token now? 10 million. Tokens in circulation supply, 77%. It's almost over, much over than 50%. So I think we'll not see some crazy seller pressure right in the future when we'll see the uptrend move. So this is low cap token, 174 million market capitalization, FDV absolutely accurate. So no crazy FDV, nothing, guys. And of course, guys, this is a really popular DEX, and in the future, I guess. We can reach over the new all-time high by market capitalization. If we double check here, market cap, so it's almost equal. So take a look, 785, it was around $90 all-time high. So around here it was like, so I guess now, yes, like here 1 billion will be at $100 price, over than 1 billion. Possible. So my take is for this token is like $125 per token. It is the all-time high for this one. If we double check the oldest chart, so it's on the Gate.io, it's since October 22 around here. So this is the oldest chart. So basically before it's nothing special, right? We already formed the new historical low in March 25, this one, and I don't see any reason why we have to drop again to that low. Basically, this is just a pure downtrend line. If we use the line chart, for example, you can identify, come on, this one, downtrend line, people call it fake out. Now we retest it, going higher, but this is not a breaking out because we just the charts always move on the right side. That's why most likely the correct downtrend line is here, 1, 2, and after that we have to break and go higher. So that's the point. This is going to be like a magnet now for the GMX. So it's around $44, and on the Binance it was like, I guess, even higher price. Yes, on the Binance it was the spike to 45. That's why if it's a real rejection, so yes, we just touch that block and reject. So now it would be good to see the retest, and move forward, to the new all-time high. Take a look with my customer said what's going on now with this token ADZ. I can show it on a global chart. So here, direction, accumulation since March 25. No signal to sell. Still disbelief, nothing bearish, nothing too much bearish for this one. Daily time frame, of course, it was just a pure manipulation. So we're from disbelief pump without any signal to sell, we dump it back. So guys, now locally, it would be good to see retest like $12 or even $10, and after that go higher. So money power on the daily, on a daily here was money inflow in August. At the beginning of August, the money inflow being at 1183. Maybe somebody knew something before that pump. Now no signal to sell, no signal to buy with the money inflow, on the money power indicator. Take a look at trade on, sell. The last one was on the weekly day, February 23, almost at the all-time high. And here, this is a buyback, the last one, no main signal to buy yet. Daily, the two last signals to buy been here in April. Take profit, sell. We need to see the take profit signal from the sales now. The last indicator, what are really important to track, it's a take profit, guys, indicator. This one. So we can close the gate. So here, take profit. Take profit line now for GMX, it's a sweep of that one of $30, 36.81, exit line 41.85. On a Binance, I guess we already passed this one. Take a look on the Binance, I guess. Yes, like you can see rejection at the exit line. Why the Binance? Because all this chart I use to identify, the global accumulation distribution by whales, on the history, how they form the price action. Binance I use because it's provide the main liquidity on exchanges, between the exchanges, sorry. So this was a take profit and exit line. Maybe somebody, if you trade, with the limit orders, you fix a great profit. Now you can buy them back. The markets, I can't say the market recovered. Good one. It's hard to say. Daily time frame, guys. Buy line now for GMX. Now it's 970, more than real to see by end of August. Would be good even. 12 time frame, the buy line is 9/24. Also a good one. Monthly time frame, there is no data. So guys, all eyes now on buy line. Now we're around the take profit. So anyway, with this move or without, we'll come back at least close the 50% of this week, and after that go higher. So I believe we can hit over the $90 again, but needed time. Guys, if you would like to trade with my customer, like I would have showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.